Hey travel agents, it's Mary Stein, editor of Host Agency Reviews, and we're going to chat for a few minutes on the travel agent service fee template that you can find in our most recent article, How Seller Travel Laws Impact Service Fees. And this is a template that you can customize to your own travel agency to educate your clients on your service fee structure. Before we move on, I just wanted to give a shout out to Jamie Jones of Whirlaway Travel. She shared her service fee template with us and let us borrow very heavily from its verbiage and formatting. So I really appreciated her expertise, and I think you will too. So if you see her at a conference or on the street, buy her a coffee. I know I will. All you need to do is to click on the download button to access the template, and this will bring you to Cognito Forms. There's just one step you need to take in order to finish your fee agreement template. And in order to get there, you're going to switch from the form settings on the bottom left and hop over to the submission settings tab in the middle. Under the documents box here, you'll see Supernova Travel Agency Professional Fee Agreement. And you're going to want to click on the edit button and then click down on the manage templates. And this is going to bring you into the manage document templates here. And what happens is that you'll see the Word template that is going to download to your client's computer after they complete the fee agreement. And unfortunately, while your fee agreement looks great in Cognito, only the very basic coding is going to translate into that Word document. So what your client sees after they download it doesn't look nearly as nice as the form does in Cognito. But it's easy to update that Word document in order to create some changes to make it look a little bit more professional. So all you need to do is click on the download little arrow button here, and you'll be able to open the document and see what your client sees after they complete the fee agreement. So you'll see here that none of the customization or formatting translated into the new document. So it's really just the most basic information. But what you can do is update this Word document to reflect some of the changes that you want to make. So you can add the heading, you can change the fonts, the color, just to make it a little bit nicer looking. And you can delete some of the superfluous text here. And so you'll just need to do kind of the same kind of changes that you made on the Cognito form in the Word document in order to make it look a little bit more professional. So I've already updated a document, and let me hop over to that so you can see some of the changes that I made. So this is the document with some of the changes. You'll see that I included the header, changed some of the font colors, a little bit of the formatting, and really I just scratched the surface. You could spend a lot more time on this. But you'll notice that it looks a lot nicer than the first document that I was showing you. But just for the sake of example, we'll say that this is how I want the completed document to look after the client downloads it. So all you'll need to do to make sure that this style of template populates in the Cognito is you'll go back to your Cognito form and you're going to upload this document into the Manage Documents template field. I'll just show you that in 1 second. Great, now we're back at the Manage Document templates, and all you need to do is you're going to drag the file into the upload box here. And before you transfer the files, what you're going to want to do is make sure that the name of the file that you upload is just a little bit different from the original name of the template, so Cognito doesn't get confused. I'm just going to minimize my screen to access my document. Then I'm just going to drag the document into the box here. And voila, that new Word document is going to be uploaded. So if I download it again, we'll see the nicer client-facing document here. Then when you go back to Cognito, You just want to make sure that you press save. And press save again for good luck. And then you'll be entirely done updating your form. Congratulations, you're finished. Good work.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If we haven't met, I'm Steph Lee, the founder of Host Agency Reviews. And if you found our video helpful, make sure to give it a like or comment below. On that same note, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and sign up for our monthly newsletter for the latest posts and resources. On behalf of the HAR crew, ciao for now.